Hey everyone, today we are talking about basketball journey of Shaq. Let's get into it. Shaquille O'Neal, born on March 6, 1972, in Newark, New Jersey, was raised by his mother, Lucille O'Neal, after his father, an Army sergeant, was largely absent from his life. Growing up, Shaq was a natural athlete, towering over his peers as early as middle school, and his love for basketball quickly became evident. His journey to greatness began at San Antonio's Cole High School, where his raw talent and enormous size made him a force on the court. By the time he reached high school, Shaq stood 6 feet 9 inches tall, and it was clear that his future was in basketball. Shaq went on to play college basketball at Louisiana State University, LSU, where his impact was immediate. Under coach Dale Brown, he dominated the paint, averaging over 20 points and 13 rebounds per game, earning the College Player of the Year award in 1991. His time at LSU helped refine his skills, transforming him from a raw talent into a polished player. Shaq's physical dominance and incredible skills drew the attention of the NBA, and in 1992, he was selected by the Orlando Magic as the first overall pick in the NBA draft. As a rookie, Shaq quickly made a name for himself, averaging 23.4 points and 13.9 rebounds per game, earning NBA Rookie of the Year honors. His incredible size, strength, and agility made him nearly unstoppable on the court, and soon he was one of the most dominant players in the league. However, it was his move to the Los Angeles Lakers in 1996 that cemented his legacy. Partnering with Kobe Bryant, Shaq led the Lakers to 3 consecutive championships from 2000 to 2002, earning Finals MVP honors each time. His reign in the NBA was marked by dominance, winning 4 championships in total, including one with the Miami Heat in 2006. Off the court, Shaq became a cultural icon, appearing in films, releasing rap albums, and building a successful business career. He was not only a towering figure on the court, but also in the world of entertainment, philanthropy, and business. After retiring in 2011, Shaq's legacy as one of the greatest players in NBA history was secured. Today, he continues to inspire through his charitable work and larger-than-life personality, leaving an enduring impact on basketball.